How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing a Kegel workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be squat holds just on the ground, not on the wall, because we do squat holds normally and then we do squat holds on the wall. This is just going to be normally. We'll hold for 10 seconds, 10 sets, and yeah, let's get started. So, this position, and again, just hold in this position for a solid 10 seconds. And again, it's kind of cheating for me because I did play baseball for 14 years, and this is what the position that a catcher is in all the games. So for about 2-3 hours, he's sitting in that position. So I was a catcher, I was a pitcher mainly, then a catcher, then third base. So I can sit in that position for like half an hour straight, no problem. So yeah, this is my 26th video of the day, so I've been killing it. I used to make videos like 20-30 on a weekend in one day, but those were 2 to 3 minute videos. Most of my videos now are 10 minutes long. So doing almost 30 videos in a day is insane. Like, it's absolutely insane. I started at 8:30, it's 5:45. I'll probably be done by 7. Probably, yeah, that's if my wife comes home and has a bath. Generally, she'll get home, she'll have a bath for half an hour. That gives me more time to do videos. If we just chill, do other stuff, then I'll probably stop at 27, 28 videos. Really doesn't matter. It's just a goal that I wanted to hit or come close to it. Or really nothing in my opinion. So if I don't hit 30 videos, I'm not upset. I still did 27 or 28, whatever it comes out to. So, I mean, you can't get upset at yourself, and not every single day you're going to hit your goal. But again, it's just for fun. I'm so far ahead of the game right now, I really don't need to stress over making 1 or 2 extra videos per day. It's really not going to make a difference in the grand scheme of things. And that brings me to another thing. I don't know how this brought me to this, but whatever, we're going to talk about it. Is that happiness. I want to talk about happiness this video. Something that people should really try to find more of, because there's so many unhappy people. So many people that hate their jobs, hate getting up in the morning, hate going to work, and then they're miserable for the rest of the night because they know they have to go into work the next day. So that's something that I've been trying to combat, something that I've been really looking into, trying to find just different ways of semi-retiring early, ways of retiring as fast as possible, and just doing things that allow me to control my time. Because I've read articles that 90% of people hate their jobs. So every 9 out of 10 people hate their jobs. Am I that 10% that don't hate their job? Hell no. I'm the person that hates their job, just like everyone else. Now here's what I say. How can you find out if you like your job or not? This is the only way that I found out if you can like your job. You take anything that you like to do, not what I like to do, what you like to do. Let's say you like to play tennis. You think about it all the time. Or working out. This is a fitness channel. Let's say working out. You love working out. Night before, you're pumped up, you're ready. You're like, yeah, I can't wait to do this. It's an arm day. I'm pumped, I'm ready, I'm excited. If it's a leg day, you might be a little bit scared, but still, you're excited. So let's say, yeah, got arm day the next day, you're excited, you're pumped up, you're happy. That day comes the next day, you're doing your arm workout, you're happy, you're swollen up, your arms are jacked up after the workout. That's happiness. You're happy doing that. That was a fun night. The night before was fun, doing the workout was fun. That's happiness. That's how you should enjoy your life. So let me ask you this. Have you ever felt that way when it comes to work? Have you ever been the night before, you've been so pumped up, you're like, man, I cannot wait to do construction tomorrow, or I cannot wait to fax those papers to the job or to those insurance places, or I'm so pumped up to do the data entry into the computer. Hell no, nobody ever does that. And if you say you do, you're lying. Nobody thinks about their work. Nobody gets excited, unless it's like your first day and you're a little bit excited, you're worried at the same time. I could see that. But after like 3-4 months, after the novelty goes away, you're like, I hate this job just like everyone else. So I'm not trying to be pessimistic, which is negative. I'm just trying to see life how it is. And again, you can be as positive as you want. I really respect people that are positive. They're trying to do the best that they can. They're trying to make every experience fun. But when you're being positive to something that you hate, you still hate it. You're just trying to make the best out of a bad situation. So you can still be positive, but why not be positive on a good situation? Why not make that situation good? Because that's what positivity is. Positivity is liking something or having high hopes for something that isn't necessarily going to be good, such as your job. You're being positive about your job. Your job might suck, but you're being positive that, oh, it might be good, but in reality it sucks. So why not in reality make something good? Why not be happy about it? Why not be excited about that? And I found out, I've done lots of research into different jobs, and I found out that I think I'm the one person that just will never enjoy a job. I just honestly think I will never enjoy doing something, working for somebody else and going to job. I honestly think for the rest of my life, I will not find something that I enjoy. Unless it's YouTube. I do enjoy doing YouTube. That's one of my passions. The thing is, I don't consider YouTube a job yet. Unless my channel goes absolute viral, which I honestly think it will happen, and I will get eventually 2 to 3 million subscribers. Until that happens, I don't consider it a job. I consider it passive income, and I still consider it really, really good money, but I don't consider it a job. Not yet. Not yet. It's close, but not yet. YouTube I love, but I can't really do that for a job yet. So I have to do something else. So again, I haven't found anything that I like. So with that being said, if there's nothing I like, then what I could do is try to limit the amount of time that I'm doing something that I don't like. That's honestly the only way I see around it. So instead of working full-time doing 40 hours, that's something you don't like, why not do 20 hours, that's something you don't like? So it just gives you more time to do what you want, it allows you to be happier, what the hell? And it allows you to spend more, sorry, I already said that, allows you to spend more time doing what you want. Yes, the money's not going to be the same, but money isn't everything. And people who try to buy their happiness with money are seriously, seriously wrong. So I found out, I've been doing a lot of research, a lot of studying, and kind of like came up with like a little bit of a minimalist ideation, or ideation, I don't know, ideology maybe, I don't know. But I'm trying to be like a minimalist. Like I'm not trying to be super, super cheap. I'm just trying to live within my means, and I'm not trying to like waste my money. But I'm kind of already a minimalist. I kind of looked into what a minimalist was, and I'm kind of already a minimalist because I don't really waste my money. I save it, and I don't really have fancy stuff. Don't get me wrong, super, super nice house, but I don't have like $70,000 car, all this fancy stuff. I don't know. Anyways, I just think that in order to become happy, you need to do something that you enjoy. And until I find something I enjoy, the best way about doing that is just working less. And the way that you can do that is work less, is just make sure your expenses aren't so high. So if you're living in a house that your mortgage is up your butt and you cannot afford it, get a smaller house. And if you can't afford that, then do something else. Try to find something that works for you. If you're stuck and you cannot do anything, there's always something that you can do no matter what. Look into your finances, look into what you're doing wrong. Even if you're only making a minimum wage, you can still budget correctly where you can pay all your expenses and at the same time still have money to invest, so one day you don't have to freaking work for the rest of your life. Your investments will be high enough that you can retire. Even if you make minimum wage, you can do this. I've done the calculations, I've done the stuff. Yes, you got to budget more than other people that are making 3 times your wage, but it's still possible. And don't get me wrong, there are people who make 3 times the wage of someone who is minimum wage, and they still are barely getting by because they do not know how to budget, they don't know how to run their finances, and that's their fault. Anyways, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylan Burke 9.